Hey guys, welcome to this brand new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can minimize your Spotify to the tray icon when you click on the close button. So I'm sure you have faced an issue where you're listening to a song and you hit the close button and the song stops playing. What you want to do is the Spotify to minimize and stay on the tray. So for that, what you need to do is open Spotify on your computer, then let it load for a while. After that, click on the three dots icon on the left top. Now go to the edit and click on preferences, then scroll down a bit. That you can see the option for startup and window behavior, so you can just turn the close button should minimize the Spotify window and toggle it on, and after it is on you're all set. So when you're listening to audio in full volume, you just hit close and Spotify will go and stay on your track. So it's that simple. Make sure you're log into your account so that other setting will be synced. Other than everything is great. Thank you for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day ahead.